Let's talk about running, man. It's more than just a workout. It's a lifestyle, a passion, a journey. It's not just about pounding the pavement. It's about exploring new terrains, feeling the ground beneath your feet. It's a primal urge, a way to tap into something deep inside you. Running through nature, you feel a connection to the earth. Running can transform your body and mind. Seriously, it's a game changer. You see the changes, you feel the changes. Physically, running builds a strong heart and lungs. Every step strengthens your cardiovascular system. You get leaner, stronger, and more resilient. Your muscles become more defined. Your endurance increases. It's like building a fortress from the inside out. Each run fortifies your body, making you tougher. And the mental benefits? They're off the charts. Running clears your mind, giving you a sense of peace. Running torches stress, boosts your mood, and makes you mentally tough. It's a natural antidepressant. It's like meditation in motion. Each breath, each stride, brings you closer to a state of zen. Think about our ancestors, man. They ran not just for sport, but for survival. They ran to hunt, to escape danger, to survive. It's in our DNA. Running is a part of who we are. Running connects us to that primal instinct. It reminds us of our roots, our strength. It's about pushing your limits, seeing what you're made of. Every run is a test of your willpower. So lace up your shoes and hit the road. Feel that runner's high. Embrace the journey, the challenge. Embrace the power of running. Let it transform you, inside and out. Trust me, your body and mind will thank you. You'll discover a new you, stronger and more resilient. Now, when you're starting out, don't go all crazy. Setting realistic goals is key, man. Don't try to be Eliud Kipchoge on day one. You'll burn out before you even get started. Start slow. Build a solid foundation. Maybe it's a mile, maybe it's just around the block. The key is consistency. Set small, achievable goals and crush them. As you get stronger, push yourself a little more. Increase your distance or speed gradually. It's all about progress, not perfection. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and your running career won't be either. Celebrate those small victories. Each mile logged, each goal achieved is a testament to your dedication. Keep pushing, keep striving, and you'll amaze yourself with what you can accomplish. Listen, nobody wants to do the same boring thing over and over. It's monotonous and can really drain your enthusiasm. That's a recipe for disaster, my friend. Repetition without variation can lead to burnout and frustration. You'll get bored, you'll lose motivation, and you'll end up back on the couch. We don't want that. Mix it up. Keep your routine dynamic and engaging. Variety is the spice of life, and it's the key to a sustainable running routine. Explore different routes. Hit the trails. Run on the beach or through the mountains. Find a scenic path and let your mind wander. Try interval training. Sprint, recover, repeat. This not only keeps things interesting, but also challenges your body in new ways. This will torch calories and boost your endurance. High-intensity workouts are great for pushing your limits and seeing progress. It's like hitting the fast forward button on your fitness journey. Join a running group. Find your tribe, man. The camaraderie and support can be incredibly motivating. Running with others is motivating and fun. It turns a solitary activity into a social event. It's a great way to connect with like-minded people. You'll build friendships and share experiences that make running even more enjoyable. Plus, a little friendly competition never hurts. It can push you to run faster and further than you would on your own. Remember, running should be enjoyable. It's not just about fitness. It's about finding joy in the journey. Make it an adventure, not a chore. Discover new places and enjoy the beauty around you. Keep it fresh, keep it exciting, and you'll stick with it for the long haul. Embrace the variety and let it fuel your passion for running. Now, let's talk about form, baby. Proper running technique is crucial. It's like tuning a high-performance engine. It's about efficiency, power, and injury prevention. Think about your landing. You want to land mid-foot, not on your heels. It's like a spring, propelling you forward. Heel striking is like slamming on the brakes with every step. Not good. Keep your upper body relaxed. Imagine a string pulling you up from the top of your head. Shoulders down, chest open, arms swinging naturally. Don't be stiff like a robot. Maintain a 90-degree angle with your elbows. Think about punching someone in the face. Not literally, of course. That's the power you want in your stride. Remember, good form equals better performance and fewer injuries. So, pay attention to how you move. Be mindful of your body. It's the only one you've got. Section 5. Fueling the engine. Hydration and nutrition. You can't run a car on an empty tank, can you? Same goes for your body. Proper hydration and nutrition are non-negotiable. Water is life, man. It keeps everything running smoothly. Drink plenty of water throughout the day, especially before, during, and after your runs. Listen to your body. If you're thirsty, drink up. Fuel your body with the good stuff. Whole foods, complex carbs, lean protein. Think fruits, vegetables, whole grains. Food is energy. Give your body the fuel it needs to perform. Avoid processed junk, sugary drinks, and all that crap. It'll weigh you down and sabotage your progress. It's like putting diesel in a Ferrari. Remember, you are what you eat and drink. Make smart choices and your body will reward you with energy, endurance, and peak performance. Section 6. Listen to your body. Rest is not for the weak. Now, I know you're fired up to crush it every day. The thrill of the run, the adrenaline rush, it's all so addictive. But even the most badass machines need downtime. Just like a car needs fuel and maintenance, your body needs rest. Rest and recovery are just as important as the running itself. Without it, you risk burnout and injury. Listen to your body, man. It's constantly sending you signals. Pay attention to them. It's smarter than you think. Trust those signals and act accordingly. If you're feeling sore, fatigued, or just plain beat, take a break. It's not a sign of weakness, but of wisdom. Pushing through pain is a recipe for injury. Don't let pride get in the way of your health. Incorporate rest days into your routine. Make them a non-negotiable part of your training plan. Your muscles need time to repair and rebuild. This is when they grow stronger. This is when the magic happens. Embrace the rest, and you'll see the benefits. Rest is how you get stronger. Get enough sleep. It's crucial for recovery. Sleep is like hitting the reset button on your body and mind. It rejuvenates you. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. It's essential for peak performance. It's the ultimate recovery tool. Don't underestimate its power. Remember, taking time off doesn't make you weak. It makes you smart. It's a strategic move. It's about listening to your body and giving it what it needs to perform at its best. Respect the process. Section 7. Track your triumphs. Celebrate every mile. Tracking your progress is key, my friend. It keeps you accountable, motivated, and on the right track. It's like having a roadmap to success. Use a running app, a fitness tracker, or good old-fashioned pen and paper. Log your miles, your pace, your time. Monitor your progress and celebrate your accomplishments. Seeing how far you've come is incredibly motivating. It's a reminder that you're capable of amazing things. It's fuel for the fire. Set new goals, challenge yourself, and keep pushing those boundaries. The more you track, the more you'll see how far you can go. It's about constant improvement, one step at a time. Remember, progress is addictive. Seeing those numbers improve is a powerful motivator. It's a testament to your hard work, dedication, and unwavering commitment to your goals. Section 8. Mix it up. Cross-training for a powerful punch. Now listen up. Running is awesome, but don't put all your eggs in one basket. Variety is key, remember? Cross-training is like adding a secret weapon to your fitness arsenal. Think about it. Different activities work different muscle groups. This prevents overuse injuries and keeps things interesting. It's like a surprise attack on boredom and plateaus. Swimming is fantastic for low-impact cardio. Cycling builds leg strength and endurance. Yoga increases flexibility and balance. The possibilities are endless. Find activities you enjoy and incorporate them into your routine. It'll make you a more well-rounded athlete and reduce the risk of injury. Remember, a strong body is a balanced body. Cross-training is like giving your fitness a power-up. It's about becoming a versatile athlete, capable of conquering any challenge. Section 9. Embrace the journey. Run towards a better you. At the end of the day, running is about more than just physical fitness. It's a journey of self-discovery, a testament to the power of the human spirit. It's about pushing your limits and realizing you're capable of more than you ever thought possible. So, embrace the challenge, my friend. Lace up your shoes, hit the ground running, and never look back. The road ahead may be long, but the rewards are immeasurable. Remember, every step you take is a victory. Every mile logged is a testament to your strength, determination, and unwavering commitment to becoming the best version of yourself. Keep pushing, keep striving, and never stop exploring the incredible potential that lies within you.